In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get the CapCut Pro features, and people pay a whole lot of money to be able to get these features, either weekly, monthly, or yearly package on CapCut. But I'm showing you these secrets just for free. You don't need to pay a whole lot of money to be able to use these features or do any screen recording or whatsoever to be able to enjoy these benefits on your CapCut software. And all I ask for you is to do three things for me: like this video, share it, and subscribe to this channel, because that's the only thing that is required for you to do. So without further ado, let's dive into today's video. CapCut is one of the best mobile editing software, which I believe everyone can attest to the fact. But as at last year, they came with the premium features whereby you have to pay money to be able to enjoy all the transition effects and other things which at first we used to enjoy for free on CapCut. So my purpose of making this video is for you to be able to still use these features to do your editing without paying any money, because the economy is very hard. So we have to do what? Make use of whatsoever we have to be able to get what we want. So what I'll be doing in this video, I'll be showing you how you can be able to get these CapCuts for free, and what you need to do and what you don't need to do. So it's a straightforward tutorial for anyone that is interested in these kind of videos. So I'll be showing you this through my phone. I'll be using my phone to be able to show you how you need to do these things. And one of the first thing in which you need to do is to go to your Play Store, or if you have CapCut already on your phone, you need to be able to delete it and clear the cache which is on this CapCut. And I'm going to be showing you how to do these things on my phone, and you'll be seeing everything on your screen. First thing in which you need to do is to go to Play Store, and once you come to Play Store, you have to do what? You have to come to this place. You come to your desktop, then you also come to Play Protect. Play Protect, you have to be able to do something on this Play Protect before downloading the software. You have to come to Settings. Then you see this particular part. You see this particular part which says Scan App with Play Store and also improve harmful app detection. You need to off these things. Mine was on before, but I've put it off. So this is the first thing in which you need to do to be able to use this CapCut software for free. So the next thing in which you now need to do is what I'll be showing you after you've turned these settings off. So you need to come to this other place. Go to your browser. Either you are using Firefox or any other browsing software, or Google Chrome. Most especially if you have Google Chrome, you can also do this. You just need to come to this place, type this site which I'm showing you, mother.me. That is the site in which you need to come to. So once you click it, this is how it's going to come. It's going to load, and for us to be able to see how you can be able to get these applications for free without paying. So now this is it. You have to scroll down, come to the particular app in which we are talking about, which is the CapCut Pro Unlocked for all regions. So with this particular aspect, you can be able to use CapCut without paying, but there are certain things in which you need to do before using this, which I'm going to be showing you. And one thing you need to know is the fact that this site they also have ads on this site. So maybe you may be clicking on a particular app for it to load, for you to download it, and ads might pop up. So you have to be aware of these things. So whenever it pops up, you have to close those ads and continue with whatsoever in which you are doing. So now we are coming to CapCut Pro Unlock. Now once you click on this CapCut Pro Unlock, it's going to take you to so many. This is exactly what I'm saying. There's ads which is on it, so you have to be able to close those ads and be able to download. So now this is it. CapCut. This is the CapCut app in which you are going to download on your phone. After you might have deleted the old CapCut and turn off the notification which I showed you on your Play Store. It's very important to do that, because if you don't do that, you won't be able to use these CapCut Pro features for free, and it won't even download into your phone. So these are the means in which you're going to be able to do these things. So now you come to download. Downloading is the next thing which you need to do. And sometimes this ad keeps popping up. So this is what I mean. This is the download. And at times, some of the things is that if you want to download these app, it usually at the down here. So this is where you have to download. They have the latest version. So you just click on CapCut. So it's going to load for you to download it. And at times it downloads automatically, or sometimes you have to issue the command. So you can see download at this place. Is either you download it, but if it doesn't go, what you need to do is to use this other option, which they say if the download doesn't start in few seconds. So just come to click here. Once you click here, it's going to bring this. Then you just click on download anyway. That's automatic way in which you have to download. At times it will keep popping up. Then just click on download anyway. Once you click it, automatically it's going to download. And the next thing you have to do is to do what? Install this app. Install this CapCut app on your phone. And once you install it, the next thing which you are going to do, because I've already installed this app on my phone, so I don't need it. So what I'll be doing is that I'll open this app for you to see, and I'm also going to show you what you need to do to be able to use this app on your phone after it has finished downloading and you've installed this app into your phone. Now the next thing which you have to do is this. Now let me look for the CapCut app. This is CapCut. You can see it's CapCut 2025. So now I have to click it. This one, the reason why I'm clicking this is that I've already downloaded it into my phone. So I don't need to re-download it anymore. So all I need to do is to just open this app and show you one important setting which you need to do on your smartphone to be able to get these features. Now you can see it has already opened. Now one thing in which you need to do is to come to this part, me, which is where you're going to do one simple setting to be able to get all the benefits. And you also come to setting. You don't need to tap sign in or any other thing on these things. So you just come to this particular part. You come to settings, which is at the top of the CapCut app. Then you need to do what? Activate business creator mode, which is this, which I just activated. You need to activate this business creator mode because that's what is going to help you to get all the CapCut benefits which is needed for you to be able to use these CapCut Pro features just for free without paying any money, which is what I'm showing you right now. So you just select business creator mode, and once you've activated it, that's all. Then I'm going to show you for you to see that this thing is actually working. So, and you need to be able to have data for CapCut to be able to use all those professional features. So which is what I'm going to be showing you right now. So now you can see once I come to create project, I'm going to import one video for you to see that all these features, all these things are already there for you to be able to use these CapCut features for free, which is just what I'm going to do. So now you can see that there's a whole lot of features. Everything is working. We have the animation effect, we have the AI packaging, we have auto lyrics, we have audio effects, we have so many things in which you can use, so many pro features which you can use for free without paying anything. So these are how you can be able to use CapCut Pro features. If you want to use animation effects and other things, maybe video translator, voice enhancement, you use all these things. If it were on the old CapCut, you won't be able to use all these features, which is you have to pay for before you can be able to use these features. But with this particular one, you don't need to pay any money. It's just for free. So this is how you get the CapCut Pro features for free without paying any money. So if you find this video interesting, make sure to click on the like button, share, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel because I have a whole lot of things coming up for you so that you'll be able to use to grow your YouTube channel and do a whole lot for your social media presence. So thank you for watching. If you find this video interesting, make sure to click on the like, share, and subscribe. So Have a nice day.